Every time Apple releases a new product, I get quite excited. And today I have in front of you the all-new MacBook Neo. Apple just launched this today and it goes on sale for $599, and the color I have in front of me is called Indigo. This is available in 4 different colors: silver, green, pink, and this midnight blue called Indigo. When I was picking this up at the Apple store, the neon green was quite impressive in person. Had I known that before, I probably would have picked that up instead. But anyways, let's continue on with the specs. This MacBook Neo has 8 GB of memory and 256 gigs of storage. The processor that this uses is the same A18 processor that you find in an iPhone 16 Pro. This has 6 cores of CPU and 5 cores of GPU power. And this comes in 13 inches, so you get a 13-inch liquid retina display, which is quite stunning. Now let's go ahead and unbox this thing. And that's easily done by removing the 2 stickers that are holding the box together. Once you remove the cover, you get this little hello tab welcoming you to open up and pull out your MacBook Neo. Inside the box, you get this quick help guide that gives you basic information on the device and some basic instructions. You also get a USB-C cable that's braided, and you get a 20-watt power adapter. This is the same power adapter that you get on an iPad, or you used to get on an iPad in the past. Now let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we have. First impression is this thing feels premium for $599. Looking at this, no other Windows laptop, no other Chromebook can come close to the build quality that this thing has. Apple really knows to package things together. The best way to describe this color is midnight blue is the closest thing to it. Now this is all aluminum design, so it does feel premium and sturdy. Now if I flip it to the back, I have rubber stopping feet and screws in case I ever want to open this device up. On the side, we have 2 USB-C ports. One of them is USB 3 and the other one is USB 2. Also, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack and you have speakers on both sides. The closest thing that I can compare the MacBook Neo to is my HP OmniBook X laptop. This is a Windows 11 laptop, and in terms of price and color, it's about the same as the MacBook Neo. I bought this in November for $550, so in my upcoming videos, I'll be pitching this head-to-head with the MacBook Neo just to see what kind of performance we get from both devices. But looking at this right away, you could tell that by the look and feel, the MacBook Neo is the much superior product here. Definitely feels premium. The liquid retina display is just amazing. There's not even a comparison to the HP laptop. Now, one thing to note is that this does not have keyboard backlight, meaning that in darkness, you will not be able to see the keyboard. But in my initial test, there's enough brightness coming out of the screen that I don't think I need a backlit keyboard for this case. Alright, so let's talk about performance. Well, I've only been using this device for a couple of hours at this point, and overall it's performing quite well. There are no lags, stutters, or anything like that. Safari, Chrome, even DaVinci Resolve, I'm able to run 4K timeline without any issues. And this is pretty impressive because this same processor was in iPhone 16 Pro not that long ago. And it's impressive that it's able to power MacBook Neo and the whole. And when I run a Geekbench score, I get a score of 3573 for single core and 9111 or 9111 for multi-core score, which is quite impressive. When you compare this to the older M1 MacBook Air that came out back in 2020, the first generation, this is significantly faster than that device. Again, in the coming days, I'll truly know how this device is performing, but initial impressions, I thought this would be a pretty laggy, slow device, and it's absolutely not like that at all. Now, coming back to video editing, I have footage from my Sony camera that is a 10-bit 422. That's a pretty tough encoding, and it's hard to do it on like my HP laptop. So I dumped that same video on here. It's my entire timeline for this video, minus the audio, because the audio is on my MacBook Pro. But anyway, so I can scroll through the entire timeline very quickly without any issues. That to me on this spec machine is just mind blowing. Seriously, guys, this is pretty mind blowing how I can smoothly scroll, jump around, and look at this 4K timeline without any issues on this computer. Now, here's what the camera quality and sound feels like. Overall, this is pretty good compared to my older 2021 MacBook Pro. This is actually a lot better. And for the price, it's actually pretty good. So here's an immediate limitation. So I have my Shure SM7B microphone connected to my MacBook Neo, and I also have my storage connected to the MacBook Neo. Now I'm editing a video real time right now. This exact video that I'm uploading, I'm editing here. Now, if I'm running out of battery, which I'm currently not, but let's just say I'm running out of battery, I don't have a way to plug this in. I have to compromise, or either I buy a separate dock that works with everything, or I have to compromise and unplug one of these devices. So keep that in mind when you're buying this. I'm sure there's some solution that you can buy off of Amazon that would allow you to connect multiple devices, but for the time being, this is one big limitation. Well, that's it for this video. I wanted to make a first impressions video and get it out as soon as possible. This isn't like my other videos where I take a lot of time and, do a lot of planning before I record and shoot. This was just a first impression, so I hope you enjoyed it. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to know more details. I am planning to do a few more videos with the MacBook Neo just to see how it compares to a good size, like a $500 Windows laptop, and then, maybe even a Chromebook. But let me know in your comments below if you want to see like a coding-based setup or something like that. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.